Hi, I'm going to show you how to make DIY disinfecting wipes, foaming hand soap, and hand sanitizer with all natural products that you probably can find in your house. Okay, so let's get started. This is the hand sanitizer recipe. It's 2/3 cup of 99% rubbing alcohol, and it needs to be 99%. I only have 70%, so this won't work, but I'm just showing you how to make it if you can purchase 99%. And then 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel and essential oils. And when you dilute it with the aloe vera, then it cuts the alcohol content down by 33%, and it needs to be at least 60% alcohol for it to be effective, so you will need 99%. Unfortunately, I did not have any. I would have to buy some at the store, but if you have some, that's the kind that you need to use for it to be effective. And then you can add your essential oils like tea tree oil or anything like that, just a few drops. Then you're going to stir it as much as you can until it becomes all mixed together, and then you can place it into any type of container with a lid. This is the one that I have from Bath and Body Works. Once this one is empty, then I can fill that, or I can use a different container that I have and fill the contents of what I just made, which this one isn't effective anyways because I don't have the 99%. But the texture of it is pretty nice, and it does smell good with those two together. Okay, this one's pretty easy for the DIY. You need a pump soap dispenser and just fill it 1/4 of the way up with Dawn soap, and then fill the rest of it with distilled water. Shake it, and then your hand soap is ready to go. And this is a simple and cheap way to have hand soap handy whenever you need it. And it's great if you can use a foam soap dispenser. I found this one at Bath and Body Works years ago. Okay, if you're unable to buy any Clorox wipes or disinfecting wipes, take a tube of paper towel and cut it in half. For the Clorox wipes recipe, you'll need 2 cups of distilled water, 1 cup of at least 70 to 91% alcohol, and then you'll need 1 tablespoon of Dawn soap, and then mix it all together. You can add a couple drops of essential oil like tea tree oil, and then this is complete. You're going to take the center out of your paper towels, and then you're going to add this solution inside of your container of paper towels. Let it sit for a couple of minutes after you take the center out, and then you can start grabbing some wipes, and then this recipe is complete. After a couple minutes, you can take some paper towel out of the center, and it's ready to go, and then you can clean off anything that you'd like countertops or anything else. This is antibacterial from the Dawn soap. I hope you found these recipes useful, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe.